In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to find games in cheap price from Epic Games Mega Sale. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the official website of Epic Games. Provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, inside store page, you're gonna find this section, Mega Sale Spotlight. Click on that. Right now, the Epic Games Mega Sale 2026 is live, so this is the perfect time to grab discounts. During this event, you can get massive savings up to 75% off, along with free weekly games and special Epic Extras giveaways. In this section, you're gonna find major discounts across both AAA games and indie titles. For example, The Witcher 3 Wild Hunt Complete Edition is up to 80% off at around $9.99. Cyberpunk 2077 is 65% off at about $20, and Mortal Kombat 1 is also 80% off at $9.99. You can even find deals like EA Sports FC 26 Standard Edition at 70% off. These deals change during the sale, so it's worth checking often. You can just check out all these lists and find the cheapest games. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.